I now understand that active learning strategies does not necessarily have to be elaborate activities in which I am having a lot of resources. It can be simple activities and ensuring that all learners are involved and giving them the right feedback, understanding what my learners' needs are.
Before entering to this course, I never had an idea that assessment for learning and assessment of learning can be such two different concepts, which we often misconfuse.
In this duration of course, I have learned from my mentor Ragini ma'am. Uh, so how she created a confidence in me to speak, and so in this way I have to encourage my students to speak, and I have to create the confidence in them.
Other than new innovations which I could try because of this reflective practice, I see I'm a more confident teacher in the classes. It is not only benefiting me or I see the overall classroom, my learners are equally getting benefited with this. And
But I think after this training session, you really realize that the lesson plan is just not utilized in the very beginning of the class or at the end of the class or at the end of the unit, but it can actually be helping you up during the entire class for a better time management.
And one of the new thing what I have learned is reflection, which did not do to a certain extent. I realize now how that is important. I have understood that this reflection is what will make my teaching more effective. What works, what does not work.